upbeat music playing. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions so you can keep your home sparkling clean without breaking the bank or your sanity. Today, we're diving into the steamy showdown between two heavyweights in the cleaning world: the Waitebird Steam Cleaner and the NuGo Steam Mop. On the left, we have the Waitebird Steam Cleaner, the fairy godmother of chemical-free cleaning. And on the right, we've got the NuGo Steam Mop, which is like that friend who always knows how to throw a party, only this one's for your floors. Let's start with the price, because let's be honest, we all love saving a few bucks. The Waitebird is priced at a hot $139, while the NuGo is a steal at $119. Amazon reviewers highlight that NuGo is budget-friendly, making it a great choice for those looking to save money. However, users also mention that the Waitebird offers a lot of value for just $20 more, with many praising its overall effectiveness and efficiency in cleaning tough grime and stains. Now, let's talk steam. The Waitebird can heat up to a sizzling 248 degrees Fahrenheit, while the NuGo runs a little cooler at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers of the Waitebird rave about its powerful steam output, which is excellent for tackling stubborn stains. In contrast, NuGo users appreciate its quick heating time and effective cleaning capability, although they note it may not reach the same high temperatures as the Waitebird. Next up, we have capacity and accessories. The Waitebird boasts a 38 ounces water tank and comes with 21 versatile accessories, earning high praise from users for its extensive capabilities. On the flip side, the NuGo comes with a 15.2 ounces tank and 10 accessories. While it may not have as many gadgets, reviewers still commend it for being versatile and easy to use, making it a great option for quick cleanups. Let's get practical. Waitebird features a built-in child safety lock, which users find crucial for household safety. It also has a user-friendly design that many find easy to handle. Meanwhile, NuGo's adjustable height feature is a favorite among those who want to avoid bending down too much while cleaning, making it a comfortable choice for many users. And how about drying time? NuGo's quick-drying steam is safe for hardwood, laminate, and vinyl floors, with many users praising its ability to leave floors dry and ready for immediate use. Waitebird is also gentle on surfaces, but reviewers point out that NuGo's quick-drying feature is a major advantage for those with busy households. Overall, both products have received positive feedback from users. The Waitebird Steam Cleaner is often praised for its powerful steam and extensive accessories, making it a reliable choice for tougher cleaning tasks. On the other hand, the NuGo Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability, lightweight design, and ease of use, making it a great option for everyday cleaning. So who's the winner? If you're after a powerhouse with a lot of accessories and high steam temperature, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner is your best bet. But if you want something that's budget-friendly, lightweight, and easy to use, then the NuGo Steam Mop takes the cake. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong. Just remember, the most important thing is to keep your home clean and your spirits high. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more product comparisons that will help you shop like a pro. Now go forth and steam clean like the cleaning warrior you are. Product links are in the description.